In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change store language in Steam. If you browse the Steam store often, setting the language you're most comfortable with makes descriptions, categories, and recommendations easier to read, so let's walk through it clearly and quickly. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer and let it fully load. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so all menus load properly. If Steam is still opening in the background, give it a moment. Some features won't appear until the client is fully ready. Next, look to the top right corner of the Steam window. You'll see your profile name and avatar. Click that to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Store Preferences. This is where Steam keeps settings that affect what you see and how it's displayed on the store side of things. Once the Store Preferences page opens, look to the left-hand side for Language Preferences. Click that to open the language controls. At the top of this section, you'll see an option labeled Primary Language. This is the main setting that tells Steam which language to use for store content such as game pages, special offers, and curated lists. Click the Primary Language drop-down and choose your preferred language from the list. Steam supports many languages, so take a moment to find the one you want. As soon as you select it, the change is saved automatically. There's no separate save button. You may notice the store update right away, but if you don't, simply navigate to a store page or refresh the view to see the new language in action. A quick tip: this adjustment controls the store experience. It doesn't change your desktop client interface or the language within individual games. Those areas have their own settings. Also, the currency you see is tied to your regional settings, not the language choice, so don't be surprised if the prices stay the same after changing the language. If you don't see the language preferences option at first, double-check that you're in Store Preferences and not another section of the client, and make sure you click your profile name in the top right to access the correct menu. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.